Guys, welcome back to Techpedia. This is Aria here. Yeah, it's been a big break since I last uploaded a video, so here we go. Today I'm gonna unbox the Sony WH CH700N. This is a noise canceling headset, which I got for around $90 from Best Buy. Thanks to Black Friday deals. I got this as an upgrade for my Skull Candy Roof wireless, which I unboxed like around maybe a year ago. So yeah, that one actually broke. So it was a great one, but actually it broke. The hinge was not as good as I thought it would be. So it's been an upgrade. Sony, hopefully it's gonna be a good headset. The real upgrade is that it's noise canceling, as you can see over here. So that's gonna be an upgrade for me. Better battery. I have 35 hours of battery. That's amazing. This one does have NFC, so I can just touch my phone and it's gonna connect. I'll show you how that works a bit later. It does come with a headphone cable, so you can just, if the battery is out, I can just connect it to my phone. But you will know why I won't be able to do that in my next video. So this one does come with quick charge. Okay, so it has Alexa built in, which is excellent. And if you have an iPhone, you can actually access Siri through it, and if you have an Android phone, you can actually access Google Assistant. This one does come with an app, so you can adjust all your required sound quality and everything. So as you can see over here, it says made for iPhone, and the Android logo, and as you can see, the app. This one does have Qualcomm aptX HD, so assuming I'm gonna get good sound quality. But since this is a Sony headset, and thinking about all the great things Sony has done over the years, I really expect it to be a good one. So let's unbox it. Alright, let's keep this aside. Alrighty. Pretty simple unboxing, nothing great about it. Alright. Oops. Oh yeah, here we go. Ooh, a box in a box. Interesting. Yeah, this is like the headphone connect act. Yeah, just like simple instructions, pretty much it. Yeah. Alright, here we go. Ooh, that's actually a pretty good headset. Looks pretty good. Ooh. Because of the side. And let's see, what else do we get? Alright, so this is the USB-A to micro USB cable. I don't like micro USB, but since it's a budget headset, it's what we get. And this is the headphone cable we're talking about. That's actually a pretty good touch of them, so you don't need to care about losing your juice. Alright, so this shows you how to access Google Assistant through your Android phone, or if you have an iPhone, because the iPhone does have the Google Assistant app. Let's see, what is this? This is just some warranty information. Check it. No one uses or reads. Okay, this, if you're really into this is a quick start guide, which is also useless. And this thing is also some useless stuff. That's what, as we always do, just trash it. Alright, so this is the Sony headset. Alright, the ear cups are not as soft as you would expect from maybe a Bose or maybe a high-end Sony headset, but okay, the hinge is much better than the Skull Candy Roof wireless. Yeah, if you haven't seen the Skull Candy Roof wireless video, then I will link it down in the description, so you can access. I mean, you can watch the video. Access. All right. So this is what I was talking about. This is the NFC logo. Alright guys, so this is the Sony Headphones Connect app, which you use to customize and connect to your Sony headset. So I'm gonna hit install and wait for it to install. Alright guys, before I show you how the app works, I'm just gonna do a simple physical overview. So that's how the hinge works. That's probably one of the best. Is so much better than the Skullcandy Rift Wireless I had before. So let me see. Yeah, this is the right ear cup. You can see there's a microphone over here, then the volume rockers over here. This is actually okay. So you can back, forward, and it's actually a click button where you can actually take calls. So that's pretty good. That's just the right ear cup. The left ear cup has a lot of other stuff. It has the NFC chip embedded in over here. So I can just take my phone and touch it to connect it. If your phone does have NFC, just like most modern phones, you can just touch it and then it should connect with that Bluetooth. Like it's through Bluetooth, but NFC just easier to connect. This is the power button over here. Micro USB headphone jack to connect. And this is the AC button. Okay, so microphone over here. So yeah, I do see two microphones. And what I found interesting about this headset is that I don't know if it's clear through the camera, but you can actually see the speaker. And this is the thinnest fabric I have ever seen in a headset. So that's like not an ideal thing when you work. So if you be ready to get some good bass actually, because that bass is straight booming into your ears, because that's the thinnest fabric I've ever seen. It may hurt some people, so if you're planning to buy a good headset, this may not be for those who have sensitive ears, because that is super thin. That is super thin fabric. So if you have sensitive ears, this is not the headset you really want to even think about buying. Alright, so the app is ready. So I was planning to show you each and every step, but the best part is that I don't need to, because if we just go on all the privacy stuff, the whole process is just self-explanatory. So it's as simple as just, because whatever's on screen, you just do that and you're good to go. So yeah, I feel I really don't need to move on, but if you really do have questions, let me know in the comments down below. I always make sure to answer questions, especially I got a lot of questions on my Xbox video, and I have made sure to answer them. So yeah. So again, this headset is presently $90. It may increase the max retail price is $200, which of course I don't see it going that high ever. So hopefully you get a good deal on this one. So yeah, this, my friends, was the Sony WH CH700N. A very good buy for just $90. If you're really looking for a good headset under $100, I tried to compare this to like Sony's and Sennheiser's. This was the best headset I got below $100. There was the Skullcandy, multiple Skullcandy ones, but of course when it comes to Sony, their sound quality is just better than any headset you can, like, really. Bose is good, but of course most Bose headsets are like over $200. Even if it's a good deal, it's gonna be pretty expensive. So yeah, a good budget headset is this. If you're really looking for a good budget headset, this is the best one to buy. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Any questions, as always, down in the comment section. The link to my Skullcandy Rift Wireless video will be in the description. But do, just as a warning, I don't recommend that headset anymore because the hinge is so bad it actually broke. Just to show you how it happened, let me just show you. So this is what actually happened to my Skullcandy Rift Wireless. The hinge was so bad it actually just broke off. The main reason for this was that this is mostly a plastic body, whereas This one, the hinge is just a different design, and it's metallic. It does have plastic, but it has a more of a metal, like a steel like thing, and because of that, it has more durability, and it's resistant break. Where this one does a break this maybe a year, yeah. But if you're like, if you are like really careful with your technology, then maybe you can. It's a good one, but sound quality this one's much better. The ear cups are okay, but of course these ones are much better. Again, these ones do have thin fabric, so these are not the ones for sensitive ears. Sound quality and like just body quality in general is much lower than these. These I guess, I'm not sure, I guess they were like $40. They are not worth $40. These are totally worth $90. So yeah, as I said before, grade buy, super grade. This is not what I would recommend to buy. Yeah. So yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. The link to buy the headset will be in the description. As always, all my products that I show on my channel, the link to buy them is always in the description, so you can actually buy them. So yeah, thank you for watching, and hope you like this video. Make sure you like, comment, and share this video. Thank you. So do subscribe. Do go ahead and just click the subscribe button, okay? Thank you. Bye.